Happy Wednesday. I'm back from Spain. It's just how I remembered it. Here is the haul. Day 26. I'm like having the hungry horrors. Happy Wednesday. I'm back from Spain. Holly is not doing well. I feel like seeing it in person is even worse than I thought it was gonna be. So I am gonna go to Bern, but mine is closed because they're moving locations, so I'm gonna go to a different one. I am wearing Buff Bunny. I've been really loving their legacy shorts and then matching bras. So this is the Bloom bra. It's really supportive in the size medium. I do stick with large for the shorts though. Definitely don't want to skimp on those. I do have some medium shorts from them, maybe like one pair, and it's definitely like kind of tight. So these are much better, especially I get a lot of rolling in the waistband, but at least like when it's the large, it's not quite as bad. And then I don't get any like dig in on the legs of the shorts. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, and I don't know how much I'm really gonna vlog today though, because there's probably not much to see. Here's the completed look. Got my workout in, and now I'm going to get some groceries. I've got my 1UP protein, clear protein, in the juicy grape flavor. I always lick the cap because it like sticks there. Today, usually I do like a double. I actually just did a single today though, because okay, let's be honest. I didn't want to wait for my shaker cup to fill. But also, I'll probably make food when I get home, so I don't need like a double protein, and I can always mix up more like a little bit later, and it'll be fresher. Like, I don't know if it really matters, but so good. I brought all this protein with me to Spain, and I didn't even use it. I think like water is just not as readily accessible there in terms of like when you're in your hotel. I could have bought some, and it's actually really cheap. Like, bottled water there is incredibly cheap, but I don't know. I just like wasn't in my complete element. I did have a mini fridge in the first place though, so I definitely could have and should have. I weighed myself this morning and I'm back to 175, so I lost a couple pounds, but it's honestly probably muscle and water weight. I don't think I lost like fat or anything. I did walk a heck ton. I was gonna say a bad word, but I'm not gonna. I try not to swear on my channel. So my hair is looking great. I'm gonna take a full shower though, I think, when I get home. I didn't even tell you what I bought. I just turned my car on though because it's hot. I got ingredients for pasta salad. So I got protein pasta, and then, you know, some veggies. And then I got Boar's Head buffalo chicken. So it's gonna be sort of like a buffalo pasta salad. I got like tomatoes, cucumber, an onion, some cheese. I think I have green beans at home, so I'll probably make like some frozen green beans and cut them up and like cool them down, cut them up. So I was thinking that would make a good lunch for like the next couple of days. Then I don't have to think about it as much. And the Boar's Head chicken was on sale, so I might go back. I think the sale's through tomorrow. Maybe I'll get some more tomorrow. I don't know, because I like it when it's like super fresh, you know? All right, so I'm gonna head home. It's like half an hour to get home because I went to a different location. I can't remember if I told you that. My Bern is moving, so I went to a different one today. The membership is universal, which is nice, so you can go to any Bern nationwide. So I'm gonna go home, but I really want a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. When I got out at the airport, I could like smell it because there was one like right there, but it was like between 3 and 4 p.m. so there was no way I was getting an iced coffee yesterday. But I mean, honestly, I could have just got a decaf, but I knew I had an hour ride home and I didn't want to have a coffee in the person's Uber, you know? So I'm gonna go to a Dunkin'. I don't know if there's one near here or if we'll go to the one by my house. They have Baskin Robbins flavors and cookie dough is back.
Welcome.
It's just how I remembered it. It's literally one of the best Dunkin' flavors of all time. Here is the haul. I got more of my iced coffee, protein pasta. I'm gonna use up a box, so I got an extra strawberries. Got an orange pepper, that's my favorite kind. This dressing looked really good. Avocado Greek goddess. We got the boar's head. This hummus looked good. I don't know if I said strawberries, raspberries, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado. This is not ripe yet. And then pepper jack. Look at my little girl. Hi, sweet pea. Hey, girl. What do you need? So, I kind of like, I'm not sure if I really want to show much of Holly in this state. And I don't know what's going to happen. And I don't know when I'm going to be editing this. But I also think maybe this could like help somebody. So, I don't know. I guess I'll just try to keep you updated. Because this could happen to somebody else and their dog. So, I'll try my best. Breakfast time, I'm gonna make some protein pancakes with raspberry and some chocolate chips. I do have Kodiak cakes, but I need to use this Trader Joe's brand up. My hair is so crazy. I really need a shower. Okay, here is the batter. I used coconut oil spray. I just did 8 chocolate chips, half a serving. And then these were giant raspberries. I should have cut them, but I did not. Dusting off the old treadmill, literally and figuratively. I just really did give it a little dusting, to be honest. Okay, starting slow at 2 to get used to it. All right, 2 miles, 50 minutes. I think we can call it. I am so excited to be back in America so I can charge these with a normal charger. Because I don't think the Fitbit or Ultrahuman are dual voltage. So I actually brought 3 power banks and was charging them every day from those, which totally worked. Totally worked. However, just being able to plug them in like normal is a blessing. Good update. I'm out of the shower. I'm not drying my hair yet. I will dry it after I eat lunch. But Amazon bralette. These are Athleta leggings, and it's weird. They feel so low-waisted. Like, they're not low-waisted, but they're lower than what I'm used to. J4 free cropped t-shirt. I forgot I even had this. Slippers. Cooking the pasta. Here we have it. Pasta salad time. 3:26, I'm like having the hungry horrors. So I'm having a Chobani yogurt, even though I feel like I already just like had my lunch, but I'm starving.